Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Centralizing your Google Docs in one secure location simplifies everything. Google Drive is perfect for sharing, collaborating, and accessing your important files from anywhere, making your workflow incredibly efficient. This updated guide will show you exactly how to upload your Google Docs to Drive for 2025, ensuring your documents are always organized and accessible. Let's get started and make your cloud storage seamless. Before you begin the upload process, a little preparation goes a long way. First, make sure all your Google Docs are completely saved and finalized on your computer. If you have many files, organizing them into clear folders beforehand will save you time later. Finally, decide which specific Google Drive folder will be the perfect home for these incoming documents to maintain order. The easiest and quickest way to upload your Google Docs is by using the simple drag-and-drop method. Just open your Google Drive in your web browser to the desired folder. Then, navigate to your files on your computer. Select all the Google Docs you want to upload and simply drag them directly into the open Google Drive window. Watch them transfer instantly. Alternatively, if you prefer a more guided approach, you can use the New button in Google Drive. Locate and click on the prominent New button, usually found in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select either File Upload for individual documents or Folder Upload for multiple files at once. Then, simply browse your computer to select the Google Docs you wish to add. After your documents have finished uploading, always take a moment to verify that everything appears correctly in your Google Drive. Remember to organize any newly uploaded files into specific folders for easy future access and sharing. Google Docs files convert seamlessly into their native Drive format, maintaining all your formatting and content. Your documents are now perfectly stored and ready.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.